Hello friend, today we are going to learn the graphical method. First, we see the algorithm of this graphical method. In first step, check the saddle point. Check the saddle point. Means if the saddle point exists, then optimal strategy or a pure strategy. If a saddle point does not exist, then go to the second step. Means first step, check the saddle point exists, that is pure strategy. Saddle point does not exist, then go to the second step. In second step, check for column and row dominance. Column or row dominance means every element dominated column or row. This step is used only for the reduction or size of the game. Means if the size of game is reduced, then use the dominance method. Means check the column or row dominance. And third step, write down the constant of the payoff matrix. Write down constant of the payoff matrix. Means column constant or row constant. Write down the constant of payoff matrix. In step 4, graph it constant and identify feasible region. With satisfied all constant. Graph the constant and identify the feasible region with the satisfied all constant. Select highest or lowest intersecting point in the feasible region. And in step 2, solve the problem by any method, that is algebraic method, arithmetic method, or without saddle point method, means mixed strategy method. Then we see the example of graphical method. First, write the given payoff matrix is player A, player B, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. 6 rows are present and 2 columns B1, B2. That is 1 minus 3, 3, 5, minus 1, 6, 4, 1, 2, 2, minus 5, 0. This is the given payoff matrix. First step, we find maximin and minimax. We find maximin and minimax. Here minimum element is minus 3. In second, 3 -1, 1, 2 and -5, and minimum of this maximum is 3. In first column maximum element is 4 and second column 6, and maximum of this minimum is 4, means maximin V lower bar, that is equal to 3, and minimax is equal to 4, and this maximin is not equal to minimax. Minimax is represented by V upper bar. Maximin is not equal to minimax, therefore here saddle point does not exist, and here 6 row are present and 2 column are present. Therefore, and solve this problem by graphical method. Therefore, we take two axes B1 and B2. Means here 2 column are present. Therefore, we take two axes B1, B2 and draw the graph. These two axes, that is B1, that is B2, that is origin 0, 0. Here upper +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 and +6. And here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Same as second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Then draw the graph, and in first row first row element is 1, -3. B1 is 1. B1 is 1 and B2 is -3, that is -3. 1, 3. In second, B1 is 3 and B2 is 5. B1 is 3 and B2 is 5. That here. Join this line. In third, B1 is -1 and B2 is 6. In fourth, B1 is 4 and B2 is 1. Five, 2, 2. 6. B1 is -5 and B2 is 0. That is this. Here in this problem we know the row are greater than the column because 2 column are present and row are 6. Therefore here row is greater than column. Then choose the upper region. Upper regions means that region. Choose upper region and choose the lowest point of that upper region. This point and this point, these 2 points becomes the upper region, and we take the lowest point of this upper region, that is the lowest point. This lowest point becomes 2 line, that is 3, 5 and 4, 1. 3, 5 and 4, 1. Then the given pair of matrix becomes 3, 5 and 4, 1. And this point in row A2 and A4. A2, A4, B1, B2. Means the given payoff matrix becomes 2 by 2, 2 by 2 0% gain. Then by using this without saddle point method or mixed strategy method, solve this problem. First find the maximum and minimax. Here minimum 3, 1 and maximum is 3. Here maximum 4, 5 and minimum is 4. Maximum is not equal to minimax. Therefore, game without saddle point. Then this problem is solved by without saddle point method. Then first we write the mixed strategy for player A and player B. The mixed strategy for player A, SA is equal to, here 6 rows are present, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. That is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Here these points are present into A2 and A4. Therefore P1, P3, P5 and P6 is equal to 0 and P2 and P4, P2 plus P4 is equal to 1. Because these rows are deleted, therefore this strategy becomes 0 and strategy for player B, SB is equal to B1, B2, Q1, Q2 and here Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 1. And then by using without saddle point method, the given matrix A11 is equal to 3, A12 is equal to 5, A21 is equal to 4 and A22 is equal to also 1. Then use the formula for mixed strategy method, that is P2. Here P1, P3, P5 and P6 are 0 and P2 and P4 are calculated. Therefore P2 is equal to A22 minus A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A21 plus A12. Here A22 is equal to, A22 is equal to 1. A22 is equal to 1. A21 is equal to 4 and addition of these two is 4 minus 9. That is equal to minus 3 by 5 minus 5 and this minus minus cancel, that is equal to 3 by 5. Means here P2 is equal to 3 by 5. Then P2 plus P4 is equal to 1 and put the value of P2 and we get 1 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. Means optimal strategy for player A, P2 is equal to 3 by 5 and P4 is equal to 2 by 5. Then find the Q1. Q1 is equal to A22 minus A12 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. And A22 is equal to 1, A12 5 and this addition and subtraction of this is minus 5. This is equal to minus 4 by minus 5 and minus cancel and that is 4 by 5. Means Q1 is equal to 4 by 5 Then find Q2. Q2 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. And then write the optimal strategy and find the value of game. Then write the optimal strategy SA. SA is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Here A1 0, A2 means P2. P2 is 3 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 0, 0. And optimal strategy for player B is B1, B2, that is 4 by 5, 1 by 5. And now find the value of game. Value of game V is equal to A11, A22 minus A12, A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21, and that is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 minus 5 multiplied by 4 divided by minus 5, and that is equal to 17 by 5. Means value of game V is equal to 17 by 5. This is the problem of graphical method. Again, we see the second problem of this graphical method. In second problem, take the problem first. Example 2. Solve the following game by graphical method. Then write the problem. Player A, A1, A2 means 2 rows are present, and player B, B1, B2, B3, B4 means 4 columns are present. 2, 1, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3, 2. First problem is row are greater than column, and here column are greater than row. Second problem is column are greater than row. Then first write the given payoff matrix. The given payoff matrix is A1, A2, player A, player B, B1, B2, B3, B4, that is equal to 2, 1, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3, 2. Then first find the maximum and minimax. Here maximum element is 2, here 1, 3, 2, and maximum of this minimum is 1, and here minimum element is minus 2, 0, and maximum of this 0. Therefore maximum is not equal to minimax. The game without saddle point. And clearly the given payoff matrix does not exist saddle point, and the game is given by 2 by 4 game and cannot reduce by dominance property. We plot all the given point on A1 and A2 axis because here 2 rows are present and column are greater. Therefore we take the 2 axis, that is A1 and A2. A1, A2, that is origin 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here in this payoff matrix last element is 3, therefore we take 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. A1, A2. A1 is equal to 2 and A2 is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 1. That is. Second, A1 is equal to 1 and A2 is equal to 0. Third, A1 is equal to 0 and A2 is equal to 3. And fourth, A1 is equal to -2 and A2 is equal to 2. This is the graph. Then here row is less than column, means column are greater. Therefore, we choose the below region, lower region, and choose the upper point of that lower region. Lower region means that region. This is the lower region, and this lower region becomes that point, and this point is upper point of that lower region, and this highest point, and that point become, this point become 1 0 1 0 and -2 2. This point becomes 1 0 and -2 2. 1 0 -2 2. In see the given payoff matrix, and that matrix contain 1 0 -2 2. That type you return this payoff matrix, and 1 0 means B2 and B4, that is A1 A2, and given payoff matrix, then find maximin and minimax. Maximin, here maximin is 0, minimax is equal, find maximin and minimax. Above you find maximin in and minimax, and maximin is not equal to minimax. Therefore, the given problem is solved by without saddle point method or mixed strategy method. Then first write the optimal strategy for player A. Optimal strategy for player A is SA is equal to A1 A2 P1 P2, and here P1 plus P2 is equal to 1, and optimal strategy for player B is equal to B1 B2 B3 and B4, that is Q1 Q2 Q3 and Q4. Here B2 and B4 column are present, therefore the value of Q1 and Q3 is 0, and that is Q1 is equal to Q3 is equal to 0, and Q2 plus Q4 is equal to 1. And write the given A11 is equal to 1, A12 is equal to -2, A21 is equal to 0, and A22 is equal to 2. Then this problem is solved by without mixed strategy method or without saddle point method. Then first find the P1, and P1 is equal to, write the formula, A22 minus A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21, and here A22 is given, the value of A22 is 2 minus A21 0 upon A22 A11 plus A22, that is equal to 3 minus 2 and 0 minus 2, that is equal to 2 upon 5. Means P1 is equal to 2 by 5. Then find P2. P2 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5. Then find Q1. Q1 is equal to, write the formula, Q1 is equal to, first write the formula of Q1, and Q1 is equal to A22 minus A12 upon a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. Here we know a22 is equal to 2 minus a12 is equal to minus 2 upon addition of this is equal to 3 minus minus of 2, that is equal to 4 by 5, means q here q1 is equal to 0, you know, that is value of q2 is equal to 4 by 5. Then find the q4 plus q2 is equal to 1 and q4 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. q4 is equal to 1 by 5, and then last we find the value of game. V is equal to a11 a22 minus a12 a21 upon a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21, and a11 multiplied by a22 is equal to 2 minus 0 upon value of this is equal to 5, that is 2 by 5, means he is equal to 2 by 5. Then last you write the strategy for player A, that is strategy for player A SA is equal to A1 A2 and A1 A2, that strategy of A1 is 2 by 5 and that is equal to 3 by 5, and strategy for player B is B1 B2 B3 B4. Q1 is 0, Q2 is 4 by 5, Q3 is 0 and Q4 is equal to 1 by 5, and value of game is equal to 2 by 5. In this problem, column are greater than row, and first problem is row are greater than column, and this two type problem is given in graphical method. You know,